Excited, huh? Even I am. I'm going to attempt something stupid or might be very genius. So I am going to build an entire AI startup in just 24 hours. No money, no employees, no office, nothing. Even no idea, no brand, no product. In this 24 hours, we are going to imagine a complete set of startup, from idea to validating it to creating the brand to creating our product to launching it and getting real users. And all of this is going to happen in just 24 hours. Seems to be very impossible, right? But this is the challenge. This is very much possible in these 24 hours. Or even if we fail, we will consider that we might not complete this challenge, but whatever you'll see with me, and let us see what is the time right now, so we can just come back in just 24 hours and see if we have gained something or not. So right now it's 12:33 and our challenge will end at 12:33 tomorrow. So without wasting time, let us start the video. Wait, why am thinking so much? We are just going to use AI tools. So why even I'm thinking in idea or what we want to build? We just have to ask the AI tools why we should work. We have AI tools to work for us. So in these 24 hours, we are going to just use artificial intelligence for even choosing the idea that what we are going to build. So, ChatGPT, I'm building an entire AI startup in just 24 hours. Can you help me to suggest some ideas that I can?
Absolutely. One exciting idea you could explore is an AI resume enhancer. It could let users upload their resumes, get instant feedback and suggestions for improvement, and then match them with relevant job openings. Another great idea could be an AI-powered personalized learning pathway where users input their skills and goals and the AI suggests tailored learning resources and career paths. Let me know which direction excites you the most.
Okay, so now we have a clear idea that we can work on, and that idea was exactly suggested by ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT suggested us, ki why don't we build a complete process of people uploading their resumes, getting analysis of their resumes, how their resume is either good or bad, what are the improvement points that they can work on, and get similar job opportunities as according to their profiles at the same dashboard. So that could be might something interesting and helpful if I am looking for jobs. So I am looking forward for these kind of websites where I have just putting my resumes and get complete analysis of that and get similar job profiles, and I can easily apply. So let's see how we can even make business out of it, and how the flowchart will look about our complete business model, startup model, or even what are the product development process, what are how we are going to brand it, how we are going to make revenue out of it. So let's start. So we are going to build an AI platform where the user will go upload their resume, and then the resume will forward it to artificial intelligence. That artificial intelligence will analyze this resume, score it out of 100%, give its feedback and give improvements that how the resume can be better. Now for next, we have planned to give analysis, improvements, what could be the add-ons, what could be the changes, suggesting job across all job portals similar to the user's profile. These are all the features that will be included in the platform. But what about the revenue model? So we have that ready as well. For the free users, the platform will allow the users to analyze only 3 resumes, can only apply to 5 jobs, and the analysis of the resume will be very limited, not a detailed format. And on the other hand, for the paid user, we have done unlimited resume analysis, unlimited job applications, and a detailed analysis on their resumes. So these are the summary of what we have planned so far. This is the business model, and this is our product that what we are going to build. For any startup or for any business, while starting, we need a good brand name.
And with the brand name, we also need to identify that whom we are selling our product or whom we are serving. So that will help us to actually enhance the brand, get our branding, how we will look as a product, what will be our colors, what actually our motive is. So brand name and brand identity is very important. So let's ask our chat GPT again that what it has provided us ideas, so it can suggest us good names as well. So let's ask chat GPT. Hi chat GPT. Hi ChatGPT. The idea you suggested right now to me to build a resume to job builder, that idea is actually very interesting and I am going to move forward with that. Can you suggest me 5 names on which I can build a brand on it?
Absolutely. Here are 5 brand name ideas for your resume to job platform: Job Match AI, Resume Fit, Career Catalyst, for Talent Align, 5 Hybrid. Hopefully, one of these resonates with you and fits the vision for your startup.
Okay, that sounds cool, but why we have to go like so complex with names? We just have the name resume to job, what we are building. So it gives a complete clarity to the user that what they will going to get as a product. Resume to job, it gives a clear idea for users, for everyone to understand what actually our product is. So let's stick to resume to job. Now move forward to what will be our branding. Let me brief you what actually a branding is or what a brand identity looks like. For a person, what is identity? The complete detailed acknowledgement about him or her is completely a identity. For a brand, what matters is what message the brand is going to give, what colors the brand is showing to the users, what kind of trust or what kind of belief the brand want users to keep on them, and what actually the motive of the complete brand is completely driven by the brand identity. Brand identity includes the name, the tagline, the colors, the fonts, everything. So let's build something about branding also. Actually, in all those stuff, we actually forgot a very major thing, that what will be our brand logo. Logo is the biggest identity, and I'm thinking that how we actually forgot that. Let's ask Gemini's Nano Banana to create me a logo for resume to job. Hey Gemini, create a logo for my artificial intelligence startup that is resume to job. This AI startup actually, okay, it has taken the prompt directly. Okay, let's see. It will take a few seconds to build that. Let's see what it comes to. Actually, I don't have any expectations from Gemini's or even ChatGPTs. Knew it. This has given us a coin like logo which is completely not going with what is going in my mind and how I want this brand to look like. Let me try something on my actually on my sketchbook. Let me come up with my artistic approach. So something is cooking in my mind. Let me draw that first of all. I'm thinking something like this. If you can see it, it's like it will be horizontally flipped for you. It will be in inverted screen, but this is a small r and that is a small j. So I'm thinking something about that also that we can think on. I don't know how it will look on computer screen.
So this is our Figma screen. So let us first try to create a logo that we just draw on the paper. So what was the core idea was putting a small r and a j, capital J. So this was our core idea to build actually. So let us do this. What I was actually thinking to put these like this. Okay, and uh, let me cut this actually J a little bit so that it can match the level.
Let me subtract it. Okay, so this was my core idea, but it's not looking like a logo. Let us little bit play with us. Kind of this was I thinking. So my idea is like something like this. We can also add a partition over here and here, so it can identify between R and J. So this is the actual logo I was looking for, and what was cooking in my mind is like we can see a complete clear R and J over here. And this is a brand name, resume to job. Okay. So we got our logo, we got our name. So now let's create a brand style. So right now we are at the chat GPT screen and we are looking for a branding style. So let us ask chat GPT what is its suggestions about how our brand should look. So this is our prompt. So if you want to read it, you can just pause it and read it. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. So according to the ChatGPT response and according to the branding guidelines, let's try to build a brand style. So now you can look at the screen. This is our brand style. These are the four colors over there. These are the four kind of logos and with different color combinations. These are our font, and these are the font weights according to them, what kind of and where we will use these fonts. And this is the overall look and feel of our brand. You can see some mockups as well on the screen. So these are our brand style.
So right now the video is getting more and more and interesting for you as well and for me as well. So let me brief you first what till now we have created so far. So first of all, we have an idea. We also have a brand name, a brand logo. We also have brand identity, all the color palette to fonts to brand identity, everything we have. Now we just have to jump into our product. But now how we will build it? We can't just do chat gpt or we can't just do Gemini. So we are going to use uh, 2 to 3 AI platforms to build it. So first of all, we are going to use Claude, and second we are going to use Google's anti-gravity. We might have used Cursor or Windsurf or any other platform, but we have zero budget. So anti-gravity is Google's free AI tool or Google's IDE. So let me prepare one prompt in front of you that we will put in Google's anti-gravity, and we are going to use Claude Sonnet 4.5 in that.
Okay, so we are at a point that we have to create a prompt so that we can put it in anti-gravity and anti-gravity can build our product. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a complete detailed prompt. I will give it a rough idea about our product and it will write a complete product prompt so that we can put it in anti-gravity. So let me ask ChatGPT for it. So right now I have asked ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt about that, and let me enter this and let's wait what ChatGPT writes. Okay, so this is our detailed prompt. So let us copy this prompt. I've copied this. Okay, so right now I have opened anti-gravity. So let me open a folder in it. So this is a resume to job folder that I've created. So let us open this. And now let me provide anti-gravity the complete prompt that I have just copied from ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the detailed prompt. I am going to use planning mode and I am going to use Claude Sonnet 4.5. Okay, this is the model I'm going to use. Give the prompt and now let anti-gravity do all the work. So I started creating an implementation plan and a task list that it is going to follow throughout the building process.
So I have pasted the prompt to Google's anti-gravity, and until anti-gravity builds our product, actually I'm very hungry. और vibe करने से अच्छा है let's eat something. Okay, so here's my order. I just order one Domino's, and what better than a pizza? So, until unless I'm enjoying my pizza, until unless anti-gravity is cooking something, let's have eat something. Pizzas are my favorite thing. Like, if I'm sad, I eat pizza. If I'm happy, I eat pizza. If I achieve something, I eat pizza. If I don't achieve something, if I fail, I eat pizza. If I have a fight with my family, I eat pizza. If I had a very warm, like, talk with my family, I eat pizza. Pizza is my emotion. Pizza is an emotion for me. Like, I love it. Let's. Every time Domino's does a great job. I like I love Domino's and one Lapino's. These two pizza brands are like my all-time favorite. And until unless Google anti-gravity builds a product, let me do something. Okay, a movie. So I had my pizza, and anti-gravity is still coding. So until unless anti-gravity is working on the project, let me tell you about all the tools that we have used in this video so far, and all the tools that we are going to use in the uh, remaining video. So first of all, we used ChatGPT to generate the ideas. We used Figma to conceptualize the design, to make the style guides, to make the design system, to make the branding, the logo, the fonts, the colors. We used Figma. Third, we used the Gemini to generate the images, logos. It didn't do well, but still, we used it. So we'll count it. We also used anti-gravity, which is we are using right now. We are using anti-gravity to build our product. We will count Claude as well, because in the anti-gravity software we are using Claude Sonnet 4.5 model for deployment of our project in free. We will use GitHub, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Figma, Anti-Gravity, and GitHub 6. Okay, these are the 6 tools that we have used. GitHub we haven't used yet. GitHub we will use just after the project completion. So these were the 6 tools that we used in this entire building of our AI startup in just 24 hours video. So Google Anti-Gravity has completed the whole code, but the API that we have to integrate are of two types. First one, for the analysis, it is going to use a API, an artificial intelligence API, a model API, to analyze the resume and give you feedbacks and improvements. Okay, so we are going to use Gemini 2.5 Flash API, and for curating all the jobs from all over the job portals and get it done on one portal, it is going to use a job search API. So for that we will use a rapid API key, and we will paste it there, so it can go and search for all the jobs and paste it at one dashboard. I will also show you how the product looks like after we integrate the API as well. Okay, so this is the website that Anti-Gravity has just created for us. So we haven't put any logo for Anti-Gravity to put it here. So it has just write out it, and it hasn't applied our design system because we haven't told it yet. So this is the website that says upload your resume, get your best matching job in 30 seconds, and let's see if it even works or not. Okay, so let me click on analyze resume. Let me put a resume in that I've downloaded even. So this is a resume. Okay, so it has extracted actually all the text that is written in the resume so that the AI can read it. So let us do an analysis, and let's see what if. Actually, by the way, I have already embedded the Gemini API link and the JSearch API key from the Rapid API keys. Okay, so this is the first time actually seeing it and actually looking good. So it rated the resume 75% and it says that it is good. And these are the 5 benchmarks on it. It is rating the resume. Here's the summary that we asked it. It's also getting all the skills from resume. It's also asking adding these skills. These are the 5 key strengths. And these are the jobs that are also okay.
So let me click on any job and click on apply now. Okay, so taking me on LinkedIn portal for applying jobs. Okay, great, good. Okay, so this is the website that we actually got. Actually getting all the complete analysis of our resume, and we are also getting all the jobs from different job portals.
That we are done with our product with lack of design, but our product is actually ready. The APIs are working. It is actually giving me a complete analysis of my resume. It is completely giving me all the improvements that I must do in my resume to make it better. Also, it is also scoring my resume. It is also providing me all the jobs across the portals, like LinkedIn, or I haven't seen more, but it is like actually connecting to LinkedIn for this time. So our product is somewhere ready as an MVP. It's like minimum viable product or a prototype that we can push and ask users to use it at least. So actually I'm feeling a little bit happy right now, and as we are moving towards the video, it's getting more and more interesting. So I haven't thought that we'll create a product in 24 hours. So it's like going very good. And deploying it, first of all, let's deploy this, and we will use GitHub to push our codes and deploy it on internet. So for that we need a domain or a hosting, but as the video says that we don't have any money in our hands, so we can't use any money, and hosting and domain requires money. So we will use GitHub's free hosting, and we will not go for any domain. We will just get the GitHub's or Versal's or Render's basic domain, what they provide us in free. So we're going to use that only.
So now since our product is complete, let us deploy it with GitHub. So let me create a repository here. Let me create a new repository. Let me write it resume to job is available. Okay. An AI platform where where a user can upload their resume and get it analyzed with AI, and can also find correct job opportunities for themselves. Okay, so we have taken a name, we have described how we want to. So let's create repository, and let me upload all the files that we have just created using our anti-gravity. So this is this resume to job. Let me upload all the files. So I've created all the repository. Now let me commit my change, uploading the files, and let me create a repository. Okay, so our repository is ready. It's completely with the readme file and everything. Okay, great. So let me do some setting changes and convert it to like pages, and let's select none to main so we can like deploy it. Let's save these changes.
So far we have deployed it on GitHub. The complete project is hosted on GitHub, and we got a link to ask the user to use it. Okay, so let me ask my friends to use that product and give me feedbacks about that even they like the product or not, or if the product is useful for them or not. So let me first of all call my friend from college. Okay, it's ringing. Let me do it on speaker. Hello, hi Yogesh. You are live on my YouTube video. So actually, I'm shooting a video that in which video I'm planning to build an entire AI startup in just 24 hours. Okay, sounds cool. Okay,
So actually we have come across at a stage that we have a product right now that is an artificial intelligence product, and I'm sending you the link of that AI product, and please let me know after using that if you like it or not, or it is helpful for you or not, because I knew that you are also looking for internships or jobs. So let me send you that link, and first of all use it and give me actually genuine feedbacks. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So let me ask one of my other friend to use it. So let me call him as well. He's actually my classmate from college only. He's, by the way, he is an UI UX designer. So he'll also
I
comment.
know.
Hello. Hi Sid.
How are you?
Sid, actually, I am shooting a YouTube video and right now I'm on camera only. So the video title is Building an Entire AI Startup in Just 24 Hours. Okay? Sounds cool? Okay. So actually we are at a stage that we have built a artificial intelligence product, and we are at an MVP stage. So what I'm going to do, I'm sending you a link of my
Okay, so
product.
let's call one of my more friend and ask her to try this product. So let me call her. So it's ringing. Okay, it's no copyright. Let's see if she picks up or not. Might have thinking.
Hello, Ananya. Hi. Uh, Ananya, actually, I am shooting a YouTube video right now, and you are actually on the camera. So, what we have taken a challenge that we are building a complete artificial intelligence startup in just 24 hours. Sounds cool? Okay. So I am at a stage that we have created a MVP after 6 hours of the challenge, and I want you to test that MVP. So I'm sending you a link of my product. I will ask you to use that product and give me genuine feedbacks. How do you like it or not, and what are improvements that we can create on that? Then we will ask other users and strangers to use that. Cool? Okay. I'm sending you the link. Please let me know.
Let me call one more friend and ask him to use so. Okay. Actually, he's not my friend, he's my brother. So let me call him also. Let's see if he picks up the call or not.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello Mahi, I am shooting a YouTube video and you are right now on the camera, okay? So the video is all about we have taken a challenge to build a complete entire AI startup in just 24 hours. And after 6 hours of this challenge, we are at a stage that we have created our MVP. So I'm sending you the link of that MVP. I want you to use that and let me know if it is useful for you or not, or if you find it good, and what are your feedbacks and what are the improvements we can do. Sounds cool?
I think so.
Okay, let me send you the link and let me know what your thoughts are on that product.
Okay, so far I have asked my friends to try my product, and I have also asked them to give actually genuine feedback, not like praising a lot if I'm their friend. So I have really asked them for a genuine feedback. But now here's the big challenge begins, that getting real users on our platform. As a new startup, we don't have social media profiles of resume to job actually. So we'll not create any social media profile. We will use my personal LinkedIn profile, and we'll create a post and we'll share it there. And I have around 2700 LinkedIn followers. So let's try to get real users from LinkedIn profile. So first of all, let's create a social media post and create a complete caption from chat gpt and push it on LinkedIn, and let's see how many organic users come across my platform and use it and give me genuine feedbacks about that.
Okay, so let's create a LinkedIn post so that our product can reach out to people. Okay, so I have asked ChatGPT to generate a LinkedIn post prompt and a caption for LinkedIn, like a launch post for my AI product. So this is the image generation prompt which we will ask Gemini to form, and these are the captions. Copy the prompt of image and actually put it in Nano Banana. Okay, so this is my Gemini app, and let me paste the prompt and choose image, create image. And we have also have to put the logo of the brand. So now let me attach a logo of my brand, which is resume to job, that we just have created back in the video, and let me ask to build it. Okay, so we got a complete LinkedIn post for this. So what we got, we are live, resume to job, upload your resume, get AI analysis, discover right jobs. Okay, so looking very cool. So let me upload it on LinkedIn with the captions of what ChatGPT just provided me. So after we upload on LinkedIn, let's see how many of the people discover our resume to job app, and we'll wait for the reviews and feedbacks, what people actually think about our website or product, what we just build in like in 24 hours challenge.
Okay, so the LinkedIn post is ready, the captions are ready, and we are about to post it on LinkedIn. Let's see what kind of customers do we get, and do we actually get real users, or just people find it a dummy product. Let's see how people react to our new AI startup. Okay, so there is a good news. We have collected all the feedbacks from all of our 3 to 4 friends that I have called or texted to use my product, and I'm quite happy that they actually are very genuine and not only praising. Some of them has also marked down the mistakes that we are doing with the product and asked us to improve those, and we'll definitely work on that.
Actually, one more blunder just happened, that I was quite waiting that why my LinkedIn connections are not responding to my product. Even I'm getting good impressions on LinkedIn, but why they are not using it? So actually, we hadn't put anything authentication. He directly just put it like get started button, and there's no authentication between, which can get us to a database of users. So how stupid of me, that how even I can expect to users to show, and I'm waiting and I'm not checking anything, and I'm just waiting. Okay, even don't have a dashboard or an Excel sheet where I can check these, and I'm thinking why nobody is registering or nobody is coming to my platform. I don't have any authentication right now. Two blunders, back to back, two blunders. One is payment gateway, one is not integrating any authentication. But no worries, our mistakes makes us perfect. So, and I think mistakes are like more likely to happen when you have just like 24 hours to build AI startup. So let's see if people can get to our product, comment us, and like we have to wait and just wait for comments and LinkedIn messages for that. So let's just wait.
Has been almost 9.5 hours till we are sitting at the same place, just changing the tables and chairs, and we have done a big mistake or blunder, whatever you can say it. If we have done mistakes, let's go with that also, and let's see if people are okay with a product like that, if with no payment gateway and no authentication. Let's experiment. So one of the users from LinkedIn has messaged me with one screenshot, that in that screenshot there is an error showing with our product. It means that we are actually getting users. They're not it is not letting us know that we are getting or not, but people are using, that's why they are getting error. So even if we are getting error, I don't know why I'm happy that people are going and using this product. So it's like 11 o'clock at night, and after getting all the messages, all the feedbacks, and all the screenshots of errors and all, I have come across that we have a total number of 27 users. There are complete total number of 17 to 18 screenshots, and 9 to 10 people I have went personally and asked them to use this product and get their feedbacks. I was not able to record that because they were actually not comfortable to record it, or so I just went in the surrounding only in the cafe and nearby outlets, and just asked people to uh, leave their food for a second and use my product, but they were not like convinced to get recorded on the YouTube video. So that's why I'm not able to put that clips on. But a total number of 27 users are right now on our product, and let's see that if we are able to get at least 50 to 100 users till tomorrow's 12:30 or 33. Okay, we started at 12:33, I think. Okay, huh. So by 12:33 tomorrow we have to complete 100 users. So we have to go like 73 users more. 73 sounds a big number, but hope for the best. We'll achieve that. While I'm shooting this video, I'll mention one thing, that in this complete entire challenge I learned one thing, that for any entrepreneur, for any student, for any working professional who are thinking of building their own startup, guys, believe me, it is the right time, and it could be the best time where you can build a startup. While building it completely in 24 hours, I can feel that things are not so difficult that we make it in our minds. How we just, when I thought about this challenge, I also thought that it is going to be impossible, I'll fail, I'll build some MVP, but I'll not do well, or will not get at a productive result. But while I'm in mid of this process, I'm realizing actually I'm enjoying this, and things are getting very fast in just 12 hours. But actually, when you as an entrepreneur will spend your all time building this startup at this era, I can assure you, you don't need anyone. You don't need money. You have everything resource on internet right now. You have AI tools. You have best tools. You have a lot of information. You have a lot of knowledge that is available. You have a lot of failures of others that you can learn directly from. And I think, guys, whoever is thinking of building a startup, just start now and take 1 month, take 2 months. You don't have to build it in 24 hours, but take months, take even 6 months, and just whatever you're thinking, try to make your ideas visualize. At least visualize them, try to build out of them, try to build at least a prototype. Go to people, ask them to use it. If people find it helpful, ask if they can be a customer of yours. Find one free and one paid customers at least. If one person is also convinced to pay you for one of your prototype, or what your problem, what you're solving the problem, you're actually good to go. You can think of that idea and you can scale it. So find 100 customers and 100 paying users and scale it. This is how it should be. Like building in it 24 hours, if it is possible, I can challenge you. Building it in like 1 month or 2 months or 6 months, it is damn possible, and getting a lot of users is also possible. So this, don't consume the content on YouTube, and just don't use it for doing your homeworks only and doing your job stuff. Try to try to use it to build something productive, to build something that people can use, to build something that can help someone, that build something that can solve at least one single problem. At least build a micro SaaS platform. So I'll really find this very interesting about this. It is almost 12 hours till we started our challenge, and we are right now at 33. Yep, 33 users that has used our product. So some of them were strangers, some of them were my friends only. But yep, right now we are at 33 users, and I'll sleep. I'll wait for tomorrow's morning. Let's see what other people. I know we might have more than 33 users, but some of them didn't responded with a message, or like a text or any kind of response. So we are assuming that there are 33 followers till now only. Let's wait for tomorrow's morning and tomorrow's afternoon. Okay, guys, see you next morning.
Very good morning to you. Actually, last night I actually came very late at home. It was around 2 o'clock. I came back, and I had a really like great sleep, and I'm actually, it's too late actually. So like you can see the time. It's like let me show you. It's like 11:59. If you can see, that's 11:59, and our challenge is about to end within 34 minutes. So as of now, I just counted every screenshot, every messages, or every feedback that we got. And last night I remember we had 33 users. more or less, like it was kind of 33. And after I just counted again, it was like 37. Just three messages were also on my LinkedIn. And I was thinking that okay, we are like right now at 37. So let's see if we end up with 40 users at 12:33. Uh, so it will be like good, but the challenge was very fun, and I really enjoyed the complete 24 hours challenges. Are like first challenge that we have done it in 24 hours. We created an idea, we came up with an idea, we created all the branding, created the name, logo, brand style, everything. And then we also build the complete product, we tested it, we also get good reviews as well from our friends and everyone. So like I actually had a great fun, and I hope you also get a lot of learning from it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. So show your love to this video, share it with all your friends, or with your colleagues, whoever like like looking forward to build a startup or are looking forward to build something in AI. I hope you love this video and will engage with this video. I want you guys to do such challenges in your life as well. If you're a student, just try this challenge at least once using all those tools that I have used in this video. And let me know if you like this video or not. I'll be with you guys again with such kind of videos. And until then, like keep building, keep using AI, and just take care. Signing off.
Shit.